On December 13, during the second phase of the UN Biodiversity Conference held in Montreal, Canada, the UN recognized the Shan-Shui Initiative in China, which carries out the philosophy that mountains, waters, forests, farmlands, lakes and grasslands are part of a community of life, as one of the first 10 UN World Restoration Flagships. The World Restoration Flagships are selected by the United Nations Environment Programme, the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization and other international organizations. The initiative's declared World Restoration Flagships are eligible to receive UN-backed promotion, advice, and funding. At the awards ceremony, the UNEP stated that the Shan-Shui Initiative in China regards all ecosystems as a community of life. Through relentless efforts, China has restored millions of hectares.
We believe that it's really like top standard or top class type of actions. Based on these old things, these top 10 were selected, and the Chinese one also among these top 10. Yeah.
The Shan-Shui Initiative in China remarkably carries out the philosophy that mountains, waters, forests, farmlands, lakes and grasslands are part of a community of life. Since the 13th five-year plan period, China has planned and launched 44 projects in 7 key ecosystem areas covering main ecological security barriers. Some 3.5 million hectares have been restored so far. That the initiative was declared the World Restoration Flagship indicates that China is offering Chinese approaches to biodiversity conservation worldwide.